This is a debut album as a hamba solo angithi and i-pleasure benjani uspana with.
It was a whole lot of work being put in. It took like so many years. I worked with Java, I worked with Casper, I worked with Quest.
I Fridays bulala ama-charts noma kanjani.
No, John, say
Oh, it's all about Fethu. This is Yano from Yano Lyrics. Say artistry. You may know a superstar, Mr. Daniel himself. I'm not my brother. I'm not in Fethu. Oh yeah, it's hlezi zohlangana ngiyangithola because kuyasipana. So it's like artist mfethu. Says my preparation for album launch. So ngicela ukuchazela abantu ukuthi kwenzakalani nge-22 nange-24.
Nge-22 first I'm just doing it like a Bayete listening session. Album ngikhipha it's called the Bayete. Yeah, listening session on the 22nd, artistry. Egoli bese bange-23 ngiyenza e-Sun Coast, Dubai. Yeah. I mean 24, yeah. 23 I'm dropping the album, then on the 24th, which is Saturday, I'm doing it at Dubai, Banyati.
Yeah, because amafenzi amaningi eDubai mfethu. Ngisuke eDubai nami ngiyazi ukuthi intwana zahlanya ngayo yabo. So into right leyo ukuthi ufike khona yabo uzoshaya something kanjalo yabo. So ufuna ukwazi ukuthi usipane noba kule album le because ngiyazi this is a debut album as a hamba solo angithi.
Sure.
Yeah, so usipane nobani and i-pleasure benjani uspana with.
More than anything, I wouldn't say there was too much pressure because I was just enjoying, good thing. Born and I'm as a person, what I'm capable of. So and I'm just glad that I'm here at this point where we're talking about album. There was a whole lot of work being put in. It took like so many years. Everyone was supportive. I worked with my pro-skin duo, of course. Yeah, my partner. I worked with Java, I worked with Casper, I worked with Quest, I worked with who am I forgetting? I worked with Nofudomo, Mawelele, King Lee, and some producers from overseas,
Sure. I Fridays bulala ama-charts noma kanjani.
No, John, say couples, that's done.
So mfethu obviously kunama-tickets adayisayo for lama launch lawa. Amalini and abantu bathola kanjani?
Yeah, but I think I've already posted the videos and my prices are corner. But nje everything is on my social media. Tanya Devs, icon on TikTok, Instagram, even on YouTube too, everywhere. I've been posting about it. So if you're on the 22nd egoli, then get 24 it's planted to buy a banana. Yes.
Thank you so much, my brother. Shout out to Yano Lyrics.
Shout out to the family. Yano Lyrics 2026.
Danke.